Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a panda bear. First, draw a round circle or an oval for the head. Then let's draw the eye and the sparkle. Oh, then the big black mark around the eyes. And the nose and a little mouth. And then draw two oval for the rosy cheeks and two curve for the ears. Start drawing the arms, the left arms and the right arms. Just up till the head. Now the 2 feet, just 2 ovals and also the details inside the feet. Then we're gonna start drawing the body. From the left, just draw a curve on the right and connect the feet. And then draw a curve for the pattern of the body to separate the white part and the black part. And now it's done. We are ready to color. Let's get started. We're gonna color the panda bear black and white and some other color for the detail. The ears black. The black mark on the eyes black. The arms black and half part of the body black. Gray for the feet, but I'm just using black, but I don't press my colored pencil. And then now we're gonna color the eyes. Color the eyes dark brown. Oh, don't forget the nose black. You can use light pink or salmon for the details of the feet and the rosy cheeks pink. And now it's done. What a cute panda bear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.